This is the New Balance M520 running shoe. Those of you that are familiar with New Balance, like I am, will recognize the fresh foam midsole. It's very, very giving. And if you're coming down on your heel or if you're coming down on the pad of your foot, either way, you're going to have a very, very comfortable landing with this foam in your midsole. The fit and finish of both shoes are perfect. There really are no flaws at all in either one of them. Very, very good looking shoes. Because the mesh on the top of the shoe is eventually going to conform to your foot. These, after you've been wearing them for a little while, are just going to be comfortable no matter how you wear them, whether it's running or walking or whatever. Here you have the arch side or the inside of the shoe. Here you have the outer side of the shoe, the heel, the top of the shoe, the bottom of the shoe. And this is what I like to call the profile of the shoe. Next, it's time to try them on. So here's what they look like. They are, I can feel it, very, very, very cushy on the bottom. Not quite memory foam cushy, but very, very, very cushy on the bottom. Very, very easy to, anything. Looking at them in the monitor, I think that they're really good looking. I think it's a really good looking shoe. As usual, I am extremely happy with my purchase of my New Balance shoes. They've never disappointed me yet. Really, really glad that I got them. Really glad that I was able to show them to you guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment. I like your comments. I want to know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to have a great day while you're on your way to having a great life.